Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm doing a little bit of an impromptu unboxing of my Radar Energy wheels. I got the 57 millimeters. I think they're 57. Yeah. Wanted some smaller ones that are great for outdoors, so I'm giving them a quick little whirl. So this is a little bitty of an unboxing slash review. Let's check it out. Okay, kind of cheated. Partially unboxed. Ugh. Ta-da! They look like candy. So cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on my wheels. Pop them on my skates. All right, so currently on my skate are the Luminous 85A 62 millimeter wheels in cotton candy. So cute and gorgeous. And these are the Radar Energy wheels. Let's take a look. It's a little different, ever so slightly. Doesn't really look that much different though, does it? Let's see how they stack up this way. Oh yeah, okay. I can see the difference here. Yeah, you just gotta look at it from the right perspective. Okay, so I'm super glad I did not film myself changing out all the Luminous. I had to steal the bearings from the Luminous to put in here, my Cavani ceramic bearings. And it took what feels like is forever, but here they are. They look nice. Looks pretty tight. All right. So I think I'm getting what they say when they say that smaller wheels require a little bit more power. I noticed that since they're a little bit smaller, I am kind of having to pump a little bit more, but not too bad. And it's already kicked a few rocks out of the way. Not as smooth as my big bouncy 78A gravity wheels by SureGrip, but these are pretty fun and they're little wheels. So far so good. Hey, so I wanted to finish up my review real quick here. I have to say I had a pretty good time using the Radar Energy wheels. I used them primarily on a very smooth, freshly paved parking lot without a whole lot of extra debris. And I did notice the wheels were able to kind of kick some stones out of the way. I didn't see that many stones in that parking lot this time, but also the few stones I encountered, the wheels just kind of popped them right out of the way. Now, one thing I will say that I kind of noticed was that I kind of get a little bit what people were saying, like when you have the smaller wheels, you're going to kind of feel the bumps and cracks a little bit differently. It's weird. It's like you kind of compensate one for the other, right? Like the Radar Energy 57s are a much smaller wheel, but they're made out of really soft, bouncy material. So you kind of get the best balance of both worlds. You get a smaller wheel, which can make your skating a little slower because it's not as big. You have to pump a little bit more. But at the same time, maybe you have an easier time balancing on a shorter wheel. Plus, my turns, even though I still have yet to learn transition, my turns were very slick and very smooth. It was easy to kind of carve a little bit closer, a little more finesse with the smaller wheels than with any of my larger wheels. So that was pretty cool. I definitely gave them 2 thumbs up. I love the Luminous wheels, but I think I might like these a little bit better for trying to learn more skilled footwork, because the smaller wheels will just make it where I can kind of add more finesse. And like I said, it was way easier to like carve and do turns. And I feel like I should be able to pretty quickly catch on to crossovers with the smaller size, but you know, maybe that's just me making excuses for why I haven't developed my skills even still. Let's be honest. For me right now, it's a lack of time putting in the practice, but that's like a whole different video, right? Well, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you like this kind of content or own a pair of roller skates, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.